Hello everybody, this is Pradnya from Pannu's Quilling and you're watching Mithila part 3. This is a series of part 5 and part 1 and part 2 are already done, and if you haven't watched yet, don't forget to watch. I'll keep the iCard or a link over here or here, so don't forget to watch that. And in this video you'll be knowing, or you'll be getting knowledge about how did I fill the sun, which you can see in the name Mithila. So which colors I have used and what was the process. The video is really very short because it is really a time consuming process, and almost I took a day to complete it, but here I am just taking few minutes to show you, and I'm here to explain with the details. So let's move to this video. So these are the shades which I'm going to use. As you can see over here, these are the shades which are just 5 mm. बस मैंने और दूसरे कोई शेड्स यूज़ नहीं किए हैं, साइज़ यूज़ नहीं किया है. So this is brown, yellow and orange and some shade of red as well. So let's see how from where do I start and how do I fill the small gaps and the whole sun part. So basically for filling you need to cut really small strips to get small scrolls, and here I have started with scrolls, but then I realized that scrolls might not fixing in the small gaps and uska size bhi same nahi ho. So then I thought let's make small cuts, and then I started filling it. So as the referral image was like this, I like the middle portion was dark, so I've used brown, then it is red and orange, and then outside is yellow. So this is how it looks. It is a really time consuming process, so you need to be very patient and at the same time very clean and tidy. So I just started doing with yellow. As you can see over here, these are the hyperlapse, and now I'll be processing with the peacock. Yes, so the base of the peacock is to be done. The base of the peacock is to be done by using cardstock. So I need to cut each and every shape of that color on that cardstock. So for that, what do we need? So for that we need again we need to emboss the shapes on that particular cardstock and just cut it and place it. But जितना आसान लगता है उतना आसान है नहीं, because the shapes are really small और वो cut करना is not that easy as we feel. So ये सारी चीज़ें pricing में भी consider किए जाते हैं, because it takes time and it takes lot of efforts. So by using the embossing tool, again this is a very helpful tool. Here I am cutting everything, here I am embossing everything. So first जो मैं part emboss करूँगी वो है, सो पहला जो पार्ट मैंने एम्बॉस किया है दैट इज़ द नेक एंड द स्टमक पार्ट ऑफ द पीकॉक. सो दैट इज़ द ब्लू कलर, एंड द GSM ऑफ दिस कार्ड स्टॉक इज़ अगेन बिटवीन 150 to 200. सो ये भी काफ़ी थिक है. दीज आर नॉट कार्ड पेपर्स, ओके. सो ये काफ़ी थिक होते हैं. सो मैंने ये एम्बॉस करके इसका शेप मैंने वो पेपर पे लेके आई हैव जस्ट कट इट, ओके. Few things you can cut by using scissors, but few are not, because there are very curves, very much curvy parts, so वो कट नहीं कर सकते. Yes, so here is the neck. टेक केयर ऑफ योर हैंड्स, फिंगर्स, बिकॉज ये नाइफ की हमें आदत नहीं है. वी आर वेरी मच यूज टू डू कटर्स, सो दिस इज़ थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. And now is the feather part. This is one of my favorite part. बहुत beautiful दिखता है वो. Okay, so now it's time to stick everything. So ये stick करने के बाद आपको idea आ जाएगा that how does it look और इसमें क्या add करना चाहिए. और so ये parts अभी I'm just sticking all these parts just like this. Okay, so you have watched till now how did I filled up and how did I cut the parts of the painting peacock and how did I assembled it. So I hope you like this video, and if you haven't watched my other part of this video then please watch because बहुत small parts हैं जो मैंने बनाए हैं for you to know about the painting. And don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit and comment भी कर देना आपको कैसे वीडियो आपको कैसे लगा. Okay, so do watch the next part, that is part 4.